Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel, and in this video we will be discussing about the YouTube tips and tricks on the Nothing Phone 1. So the YouTube app has become an integral part of us as it has become one of the largest video platforms, and it is said about 3.7 million videos are published on YouTube every single day. So YouTube has become one of the best places to watch and share videos, and also it is one of the most frequent apps we use every single day. So we should be knowing the shortcuts of the YouTube app, and these things will not only work on the Nothing Phone 1, but it will also work with any of the Android devices. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to say as, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the Nothing Phone 1 comes with the native Nothing OS, which is based on stock Android, and the YouTube app works flawlessly in this phone, and it also has that 120Hz display, so everything feels so smooth in here. So let's jump directly on the things which we can do with the YouTube app. So while watching a video, the option we use a lot is going full screen. So there are numerous ways to go full screen. The first way is obviously while watching the video you can click on this symbol to go full screen, and the other option is obviously if you have turned on auto rotate on, then you can go full screen by just rotating the device. But there is another way to go full screen, so you can just swipe up to go full screen anytime on the screen, and definitely you can swipe down to go again to the normal portrait mode. So this is really useful when you will be laying down and the auto rotate will be off. You don't need to click and then select this full screen option. You can just slide up to go full screen and then slide down to go to the normal mode. The next thing we can do with the YouTube app is see the invisible thing within the video. So whenever you will be watching the YouTube video on the app of any phone, if you just tap and hold on any of the video, you can see a transparent line on the video which denotes the most watched and least watched part of the videos. As you can see, the line or the graph is maximum to the end of the video and minimum at the start of the video. That means the part of this video is the most watched part and the least watched part is the beginning of the video. Here also you can see the peaks of this video. So the peaks are the most watched part of the video, and again the dips will be the least watched part of the video. So why this is important is if you are searching for any answers in the YouTube, you can directly jump to the most watched part of any video to get the answer from there, and also you can skip a lot of part of the video to get directly the answer which you are searching for. It is like the secret trick which can give you all the answers to your questions and also all the solutions to your problems faster and easier. So Google is really smart. So what it has done is it has collated all the data of the peaks and the dips, and whenever a person will be searching for something in Google, it will show directly the video, and definitely it will start the video directly from the part from where it will be having the most watch time and the most peak. So the person does not need to watch the entire video to know the answer which he will be searching for. So in this way you can save a lot of time, and also you can get the answers to your queries faster and easier on Google and YouTube. So the next thing which we can do on the YouTube app is a really simple thing, but it is a really effective thing to have for your YouTube app on your phone. Thing is, whenever we will be watching a video on a full screen, we will not be able to identify what is the part of the video remaining or where the video stands. So here this red bar comes in, so it will show the part of the video which is remaining exactly, and definitely it will be a really helpful thing to have, and also it can be used as a lot of other things also. So if you just tap on this red bar, it will pause the video, and again if you tap on this red bar, it will start the video. Also there are other use of this, like if you double tap on this, it will go to the next video. Also if you just double tap on this, again it will go to the previous video. So this is a really useful thing. This you can configure by installing this app, which is the Media Bar app. Once installed, you have to give the necessary permissions on this app, and you can configure the red bar thickness and every little details to it. You can make it to the bottom, you can make it to the top. Also you can align this bar. Best part is you can definitely configure it to do the actions which you want by tapping on this bar. So definitely here you can select the option for single tap, double tap and long press. So obviously this is a really useful app to have if you are using YouTube a lot on your phone, and definitely to the Nothing Phone 1 it will be really useful as it will add a lot of functionality in the YouTube app of this phone. So we use the YouTube app for a lot of purposes, and sometimes we listen to podcast a lot, and in podcast there will be long videos which we don't need to see all the time, but definitely we need to hear. So to configure this you need to download this app, which is the black screen video screen off. Once installed you have to give the necessary permissions again, and obviously open the app which will be there in the menu of your phone. And once you open the app you have to enable this, and you will get this small little lock symbol. So whenever you will be watching a video on YouTube you can directly play the video and then click on this small little icon to switch off the screen, and still the video will be playing in the background. So this is a really great app to have if you are listening to music or using the YouTube app a long time. This will also help you to get a good night's sleep, because the screen will be off and it will protect your eyes from the blue light which comes when you will be watching the videos on the phone screen. So really useful app, and I will recommend you to download this app from the Play Store. So we all love the picture-in-picture mode, and we all want to see the videos in small screens and do something in the background. But whenever we will click on this home button, the picture-in-picture mode will not come in the YouTube app. So for this you need to download one app which comes with the name of FloatTube, and here you can use YouTube in the picture-in-picture mode, which is really useful and easy to have. So this is the app name which you can download from the Google Play Store, and definitely this app will help you to watch YouTube in picture-in-picture mode. So after you open the app you will see that the normal videos will be there, and you can search obviously any YouTube video of your choice, and once you get to the particular video you can open it and go to picture-in-picture mode, and it is really easy and useful. So if I just open any video you can see it is playing in picture-in-picture mode, and I can do anything in the background whatever I want, and also watch the video at the same time. Also I can go to a bigger picture-in-picture mode, and there are other options also, like I can minimize the video, and there are other options also like I can make it so small, or I can resize the picture-in-picture mode as per my choice. So really useful thing to have if you are using the YouTube app a lot and watching a lot of videos and music. And this is a really useful feature you will be getting in the Nothing Phone 1 or any of the Android device, and definitely I will recommend you to use this feature if you are fond of doing multitasking and want to do a lot of things at the same time. This will be a really useful app to have on your phone, and this will obviously save you a lot of time and hassle in doing things on your phone and in your day-to-day life. So these are some of the things which you can do with the YouTube app on the Nothing Phone 1, and this will work on any of the Android device. Not only the Nothing Phone 1 is super easy to use, and these are really useful tricks or tips you can say which will save a lot of your time and also help you to do a lot of other things which you want to do throughout the day. That's it guys, I just wanted to show the YouTube tips and tricks on the Nothing Phone 1. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.